Hi guys, I'm back today with a couple of new products from It Girl Nail Art. So the main part of this video is going to be testing out these two polishes from It Girl Nail Art. These are stamping polishes, Mimosa and Inkwell. I love, these look like super saturated creams, so I'm very optimistic that these are going to be awesome. We're going to take a look at that. But I also wanted to show you, she sent me this awesome cleanup brush here, which has this very cool tilted edge, so you have, you know, a little corner that you can get in there with, or you can get in there, you know, with this whole kind of side there. So and the bristles are nice and soft and flexible, and I don't see any flying out anywhere, so you're not going to get this where you're trying to go in and clean up your polish and then you get a flyaway that's attacking your nail art. So that looks really cool. And then something I really love. So as a nail blogger, it is a constant struggle for me to try to keep my cuticles in decent shape. And I think we all struggle with that, you know, nail blogger or not. And cuticle oil is one method of keeping up on that. And I use a lot of cuticle oil, but it is not my favorite thing. And my favorite thing is cuticle balm. And there's two reasons for that. One, I just hate when my hands feel greasy. That's just my own personal OCD thing. I hate it. The other thing is I wash my hands a lot. And cuticle oil is really great if I remember to keep applying it after I wash my hands, because it seems like when I wash my hands, the oil kind of goes right along with it. But cuticle balm is a whole nother thing. So I feel like, more like chapstick, how chapstick is kind of waterproof and stays on with you a little bit better. I have better luck with cuticle balms. And most of the ones I have come in these little pots, which is great. But when you have nails like this and you try, you guys all know, and you try to go in and get some out of the pot, you end up kind of scraping it and getting more than you want. So I'm super excited about this. And I love kind of the notion of just being able to kind of come in here and put a little bit of this on. Rub it on in and have it have, ooh, well, look at that. It like instantly dissolves. And that's awesome. So I'll have to try it out and see if it does kind of stay better after washing, but it does still have a little bit of that feel to it, like a more of a balm that's going to stay on, like not exactly waxy like chapstick, but it feels like it has a little bit more staying power than the cuticle oil. So I am really hoping that not only does that obviously give a benefit to the nail and the surrounding cuticle, but that this is going to stay a little bit better after I wash my hands than cuticle oil. Plus, this is super convenient for me to carry around in my purse, and I don't have to worry about cuticle oil is leaking, which I have had happen before. If you have ever taken a look at It Girl Nail Art's cuticle oils and things before, she's got a ton of different flavors. Or I say flavors, but smells. Sorry. A ton of different smells. But for me, it's almost like having awesome flavors. And this one is passion fruit, and you can't smell it. Sorry, no smell-o-vision. But I've never had one of her scents that didn't smell the way it's supposed to. And this one just makes me feel like I'm on a tropical beach somewhere, sipping some sort of tropical drink. I just love it. So let's go check out how these stamp. For my test, I'm going to use It Girl Nail Art IG123. I tried to do little swooshes on the swatch stick, and I'm not sure how successful that was. Alright, let's start with Mimosa. And let's use this marbly image for the test. And I definitely like the consistency on this. It's nice and opaque, which makes me think it's going to show up over both the white and the black very nicely. Okay, there's the image. It took me a while to focus, and so there you go. You can see that shows up really beautifully over both the white and the black, so that's awesome. Alright, now let's try Inkwell. Such a cool name for this. This is another one that's nice and opaque here. And there's that image. Oh good, I got it in focus fast. Okay, so this does not show up super well over the black. That's not a big surprise. But it shows up beautifully over the white, and you can see it over the black. Let me see if I can kind of get the light on it. You can see it over the black, but it doesn't show up super well. Right, I've got my Seche Vite here. Can you see that? First of all, there's no smudging. And I want to see if you can see that that does actually show up. And let me, there you go. I think you can see it there. You would not have a hard time seeing this blue over that black in real life. It's subtle. It's not like vibrant blue, but it's definitely there. And I'm realizing that this marble image was not the best image to do these swatches with, so I apologize for that. But you can see that's gorgeous. And, you know, come Halloween, I guarantee you that's going to make it into quite a number of manis for me, that gorgeous orange over that black, and then even over the white as well. So I am really pleased with the quality of these. I think they show up really well, do not smudge, and anytime you can get an orange that vibrant over black, you are in good shape. So I will link everything down below, and thank you for watching.